I was sent this Calanthe oil toning serum, beautiful bottle, and actually up in the light you can kind of see the oil in it. So I am gonna shake it a little bit just to get it all mixed up. You can see it kind of turned more of that golden yellow color in there. Now, Calanthe oil comes from orchids, which I think is so cool. So very botanical. This is a dropper style bottle, and you only need a few drops. So what I'm gonna do is put it on my face and then gua sha with it. So you could apply it directly, but normally what I do is I apply it to my fingers, and then from there, I rub it on my face. It smells, wow, so good. Wow, like a beautiful garden party. Absolutely stunning smell, and it goes on super smooth. So if you weren't gonna use a device, if you were just gonna put this on as your toning serum, that would be totally fine. You could just use this alone. So you don't have to use it with a device, but let's see what happens when we use it in combination. So there it is on. My skin is nice and glowy. So I love that glow. And then this is called the Alpenglow. So I'm just taking this and sliding it up my face. Has a nice vibration, has heat to it. And you can do this with the vibration on or without, your choice. I like the vibration. I think it just kind of helps everything absorb nicely. When you use one of these devices, you don't need to have serum, but having something like this on first lets it really, really glide nicely. So I do recommend having something, and this one is amazing. You can use it on your neck too, so when you gua sha, you actually want to go down. Some devices you want to go up, but with gua sha, the method is down. And that's a quick gua sha demonstration. And now we can see this has absorbed a little more into my skin from the device. You can see a little rosiness, which is awesome. I always love to see the blood flow going on in my face. And I have that great glow still. My skin doesn't feel sticky or anything like that, but it feels super, super hydrated. So this is an awesome toning serum. I love that it's made out of plants and other ingredients, and I think you're gonna love it as well.